Good morning everyone, my name is Titli Mal and now I'm going to make a video on a project which I've received from my college. So the name of my project is Laser Based Automated Young's Modulus Measurement Setup. So when we hear the term Young's Modulus, the first thing that comes in my mind right now is that the Young's Modulus basically measures the stiffness of a material, like it defines the stiffness of a material. So in this project, we are using a setup of VL53LOX, which is basically a laser distance sensor or also known as LiDAR, an Arduino microcontroller, and a programming automation to digitally measure the elongation. The system removes human error, increases accuracy, and shows combining optics, sensors, and embedded systems can modernize classical physics experiments. First of all, I'm going to show you my Arduino kit which I've received from my college. So this is the Arduino kit which I've received from my college, and yes, I study in IM. So let's open the box. These are the things. This is the Arduino Uno, and these are the wires which are required for the connections and everything, and these are the sensors and everything, more wires. This is the breadboard which is also required for the connections, and some sensors, this one also. Yes, this is the project which I have made. This is the Uno board, these are the wires, and this is the laser, that is VL53LOX. The pins are over here, that is VIN, GND, SCL and SDA. I've connected the VIN to the 3.3 volt pin over here, the GND to the GND volt over here, the SCL to the A5 pin over here, which is over here, and the SDA to the A4 pin over here. So after doing the physical work, we have to write a code. So I've written a code over here, and then we have to connect it with this using this port. So let's connect this with with my laptop using the port. So yes, I've connected that, and some lights are getting on over here. Now I'm going to use this mini breadboard as an object. So the thing is that the code will basically measure the distance between this laser and, that is the LiDAR, and this breadboard, which is our object. So let's do. So I'll just be doing like this and going nearer to the laser and seeing the distance, whether the distance changes in our code or not. Let's do it. So this is how our code is working when I am keeping our breadboard over here, like at a distance over here, and when I'll be going nearer to the laser, the distance would be lesser and lesser, as you can see over here. Now I've gone like truly close to the laser. Now the distance is coming like this. Now you can just watch the code and I'll do the experiment to see whether it's working or not. I'm going nearer and nearer to the laser, and as you can see, the distance is decreasing. Okay, that is how it is done. So that's it for my project, and now I'm going to meet you all in my next video. So bye.